Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So I haven't been on here in a while to do like a face-to-face video or anything. So in this video, what I'm going to be doing is an unboxing of the Sephora beauty box. So it used to be Feel Unique's beauty box, which is, I only do the one-off payment, which is $13.95. Oh, it's a little bit dry, but yeah. I needed a one-off payment, which is a $13.95, because like each month, like I've been checking the website periodically, and it's like barely anything that's been on the website that I've really been interested in. But now that it's coming up to spring, summer, everyone was going to be traveling. So I did remember there was one time that like Feel Unique, well, it used to be Feel Unique. They had all these little samples, travel sizes, or deluxe sample travel sizes that you could use on holidays and so on. So I was like, oh, I wanted this product that I actually bought the full size version of, which I'll show you in a bit. That I actually wanted those, and I was like, okay, I'm gonna start looking online, and then something just told me, just look on Sephora and see if they've brought them back. And I kid you not, every time I've been looking at Sephora's website for the beauty box, I'm not talking about the pick and mix, I'm just talking about the beauty kit. They've only had like 3 pages. And when I looked on there, they had 5 pages, and they had the samples of what I was looking for, and they had some other samples as well. So I was like, okay, let me order it. So then the next day now, I've ordered it, but then when I've ordered it, now, and I've looked back on the website, most of the stuff have disappeared. So like I don't know if I've actually got what I've ordered, because I do remember in the past, like I've ordered something and like it's no longer in stock and they've sent me something different. So I hope this is not the case. Even looking on the website now, they still have 5 pages that you can choose from, and I'm looking on my phone. So with the 5 page, I think there's like 36 items on there. So you do the math. There's quite a lot on there, so I don't know if it's going to be definitely necessary to you or anything, but I'm rambling a bit. So the last time I actually ordered from Sephora as well, I ordered the same beauty kit again, but the things that I ordered were, they had these candles, and that was the only thing that was like of interest to me, and it was by the brand Nest, if you guys can see it properly. So these mini candles, and when I say they smell so good, they have this fresh citrusy smell that I can't get over. So I'm only burning these like special occasions. Like if I'm feeling really down, I burn one. So I took 5 of them. I only have 4 of them left. I'm gonna take one on holiday. So I'm gonna take one on holiday with me as well. So let's get into the unboxing. So I can just actually, so long I haven't done it, I thought I could just slit it, because I remember before you could just slit the box, but now it has that bit here that you can just pull tab. Let me just take that out. Yeah, this is what it looks like. So they've definitely changed up the packaging, because as I said, the last one that I bought, it came in a Sephora bag, which, so one of them has popped out. I didn't want to see it, but I can tell I already still have one. So it still comes in this bag, and now they've given you tissue paper, which I've never received before. So it's 2 tissue papers stuck together, which is irrelevant. So let's just get into it. Most of these products, as I said, I do know. So I'm just gonna do. First one is by Charlotte Tilbury, and this is, what is it? Lash one? Push up lashes. So Pillow Talk push up lashes. Instant volume lengthen 24-hour lift effect. Volumize, elongate. Yeah, I don't think that's English. Yeah, this is what it looks like. So that's what's inside a little booklet. And this is it. Look how cute this is. This is what it looks like. I'm not going to open it. I'm going to take this on holiday as well with me. And what this reminds me of, people who used to buy, or who still buy from MAC, I don't know if they still do it now, but back in the days when they used to order stuff off of MAC and just do a click and collect, they always gave you the option of getting a sample, and the sample was a little mascara thing from MAC. So this is what it reminds me of, with a little plastic carton as well. Sorry. And there used to be another site that I used to use. I can't remember what it's called. Was it Freebies or something like that? Yes, like you just signed up, and like I think each week, or I can't remember, it was years ago, each week and so on, you could have just like selected what samples. And I did get a sample of a, was it a YSL? I think it was a YSL mascara at the time. But anyways, let's move on. So that's one. Next one, I know definitely for a fact this is not on the website anymore, so I'm glad I actually got it. And it's by the brand Bedhead. Is Bedhead? Yeah. So it's a mini bedhead manipulator. So I think it's like a hair gel or something. So honestly, I just got this from my partner. So I'm just gonna give it to him because I think he uses hair gel. Imagine that is. I don't know if he actually uses hair gel or not, but yeah. He can use this to do his hair while we're on holiday. So yeah. I want to see if I can open it. It doesn't really matter. What's next? Once you open it. So once you open it, it's 12 months. A good sized container with, oh, it actually has a covering. So that's what it says. A funky gunk that rocks. You know, let me just read the thing and before I actually show you guys. So that's what it says on there. So I'm not gonna open it or anything, but it's a durable container. It is plastic, but it's strong. So once he's finished with it and the parts are just clean it out and maybe recycle it for something else, because this is 1 ounce, which is 30 grams, you can hold quite a bit. So maybe I can put my own hair gel in here or body cream or something. I don't think I'll need body cream, but yeah. Next one is this. I remember receiving this. Oh, this is so tiny. 47 diameters. But yeah, I remember receiving this a few months ago. Not even a few months. Maybe the middle of last year or something. I remember seeing this on the website. And I've actually bought the bigger version because online they were having a flash sale of £10 for this. So this one is saying it's 55 millimeters and this one is 47. So I hope, because the only thing I bought this for is the fact of like I can travel with it, so I'll be able to refill it. But not realizing now that they actually come in different sizes. So I don't really care. I'll still see what I can do. I can still so I can fit inside here. So yeah, I get the Nip and Fab Glycolic Fix Daily Cleansing Pad. That's what it looks like. So tiny. Again, it's 47 millimeter in diameter, which is like the circumference, I think. We move on. This, that's on there. So there's a little sticker thing on there. It's okay. We're not gonna die. But yeah, this I know as well is not on the website anymore. So this one is the First Aid Beauty Facial Radiance Pad. And let me tell you this, I've used this before and I liked it. And I liked it to the point that I actually got, well, this is a travel size version of it. I still have a bit in there thinking that, oh, I'll leave back some to travel with. Because I do alternate between this and this. So these two I like, and I do use the Paula's Choice as well, but I've stopped using it for the time being just to get through these to see which one I like, because as I said, this one was £10, and if I can get this that has 100 pads for £10, this one, I got this off of the same Sephora website, but this one is a travel size one, and it has in 28 pads in there, and this one was like £16, I think. So you do the maths of which one would be like a good purchase. And you already know the Paula's Choice is like a little bit expensive. So yeah, I bought this as well. This one has 10 pads. So again, this one can be used on holiday when we go away. Even if it's just like a staycation, an actual weekend away or something, I can use this. It won't take up that much space. So hence I got this one as well. And the last yeah. So we still get 5 samples. So the last thing is Ole Henriksen. I've always seen this brand, but like I've never actually bought anything from them. So now it was on, and they had another one. I don't remember. I don't think this one is actually on the website anymore. I think the little jar one, which I think is an on the eye brightening cream, I think that one is still on the website. But this one, let's see what it looks like. Oh, look how tiny. I don't know. I'm just like, even though these things I would still use them, but still you still don't want to use them because they're like so tiny and cute. But this reminds me of when they had as well within their beauty box. It was the Paula's Choice. I think it's a retinol or something. It was kind of like the same thing like this, and it was in a purple packaging. But yeah, okay, so that's what it looks like. And this one is 7 mil. So 7 mil is like, that's how big it is. Well, I don't know if I'll actually use it. It's a Banana Bright Vitamin C Serum. 15% vitamin C, 5% PHA, hyaluronic acid. Everything has in hyaluronic acid now. So yeah, oh, it's just 2. So vitamin C and PHA is hyaluronic acid. That's the other ones is not English. But yeah, it's a facial serum, and the directions say apply evenly to face and neck daily. After fully absorbed, follow with the Ole Henrik moisturizer of your choice. For external use, or who not using this externally? But but yeah, that's what it says there. And this one has a shelf life once it's open, if you can actually see it, of 12 months. So those are the products. The thing that I was looking for on Feel Unique the most, I don't know if you guys remember, but Feel Unique used to have the Sol de Janeiro, the Bomb Dia Bright cream, and they had that on there for a while. To like, I was ordering boxes each month just to get that sample in there, some other samples I really did like. So what I would like for them to bring out, if you guys are watching, anybody within Sephora's team that's watching, try and get this, the Sol de Janeiro Beige Floor Cream. Try and get this in the 25 ml and put that on the website, because I would like to actually get that to take on holidays with me. Because when you're going on holidays, even though they say they're going to be scrapping this 100 ml thing and you can take larger sizes, realistically, if you're going on holiday and you got a cheap flight and the cheap flight only allows you to take a carry-on, you still don't want 100 ml or even 75 ml like this big to be taking up space in your bag. You want to have something that's tiny and cute and everything, and you still got, because I remember when I used the Bomb Dia Bright cream, it was a decent amount inside of it. So yeah, I would definitely love for them to bring this as a 25 ml deluxe sample. It smells so good. But yeah, let me stop rambling and let's go through them again. So again, what you get is the Sephora bag. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, and again 5 samples, which is really good considering. Let me try and aesthetically put this together. So yeah, compared to the price, it says $13.95. I don't remember paying any shipping. I don't know if they still have that same thing that they on. No, I think that's just for the pick and mix, or when you do the $3.95 pick and mix things, you get that $3.99 back to spend. I don't know if that's still applicable or anything, but I didn't see anything on the pick and mix that I would want. So no, as I just got it mainly for these 2 items. Because this, I can recycle it to use it to carry other bits and pieces. So as I said, with that one, as there's 100 in there, I can just refill this, just squeeze it in and refill it. This one, again, it's just 10 pads, so I can use this on travel as well. This one, I'll just give it to my partner for him to use. and I just recycle the container afterwards. This I can use on holiday. And to be fair as well, when I looked on the website, they did have this item, but like now they don't have it. Yes, they did have this on the website, but then now they don't. Let me focus. The Clinique Take the Day Off Makeup Remover, they did have it, but when I looked on the website now, they don't have it anymore. But yeah, I think people are just sitting down watching the website and say, okay, once this come out, either that or it's like a limited amount that they have. So like when it comes out, people just bam, they're gone and got wherever they want to get. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. That's it, and until next time, bye guys.